Greetings from Cybertron. Another Optimus Prime progress report is coming at you today on Brickscale Studio. Welcome back to Brickscale Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me today. So we have another progress report video, so no building today. But last week we finished the upper leg on the right side. So we have both of the upper leg, actually both of the legs finished. So very cool there. So let's take a look at the recap footage and then we'll come back and we'll have a little chat. To recap the episode, on the scale model side, we got the lower right leg panels in. So that is looking like this. And this is extremely heavy, just like the other one. And then on the Lego side, we started this piece, and then we got the foot that we started in the previous episode, and then the whole entire other foot. So we've got the legs done. Which is kind of funny because we're in the next episode of the scale model, we're going to be working on the upper legs, but for the Lego model, we are done with the legs. So that is it for episode 13. All right, so to recap what we have done in this episode, for the Lego side, we got this front grille piece in, and then on the scale model side, we got the hips with wheels. So we basically... though it's configured differently, I mean, we basically worked on this same part here. So you can see those kind of matching up. We've got the colors and the wheels, and then we've got the orange lights and the wheels over there. So that is it for episode 14. So on the Lego side, we got this shoulder done with this cool Autobot emblem. And then on the scale model side, we got this upper leg attached. And so in the next episode, we're going to be working on the left leg, or the right leg for the scale model, the right upper leg. And for Optimus, the Lego version, we're going to be working on the left shoulder. So that will do it for episode 15. Okay, so just to recap on today's episode, we got the left shoulder on the Lego side, and then on the scale model side, we have the upper right leg. And so that will do it for episode 16. All right, cool. So we have both of the legs for the scale model done now, and we got the shoulders done for the Lego side. So let's do our recap really quick. So total to date for the scale model, we have completed 567 steps and used 639 parts. And for the Lego side, we have completed 391 steps and used 1,114 parts. All right, so exciting next week for the scale model, we're going to actually be taking both of the legs and we're going to be constructing sort of another hip piece. And then we'll be attaching the legs together. So we'll have a complete lower body of Optimus Prime. And then we'll start working up on the body and everything following in the next few episodes. So very exciting. The model's coming out great. It is super heavy and very big. So it's going to be crazy when it's finished. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Let's see, Thursday we have another Titanic episode. If you're following that series, the last build episode we had crazy details on one of the engines with these super teeny tiny pipes and details. And unfortunately now we're doing the other engine with all the teeny tiny parts and details. So hopefully that will go smoothly. Check that out to see if it turns out to be a breeze or another struggle bus like it was the first time. And then Saturday, we've got kind of a twist. We're still waiting for Batmobile parts, so I have been in the last few weeks filling in with Lego stuff, but today we have sort of a different project. It's a Book Nook, but it's not a Lego Book Nook. Remember we did the Sherlock Holmes Lego Book Nook several weeks ago? Well, this is another Book Nook. It's called the Rose Detective Agency from Cute Bee, but I mean, come on, it's basically a Sherlock Holmes ripoff. But it is sort of a wood Book Nook where you put together with glue and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to be tackling that on Saturday. So stay tuned for that and see how that goes. So yeah, not a scale model, not Lego. So hey, could be fun. Who knows? And remember, of course, in the meantime, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a penny. And we're trying to hit those subscriber milestones. We're getting close to 500, and where we'll give away a Star Wars AT-AT set. It's about 1,500 pieces. And then when we hit 1,000, if you watched the Endurance video from several weeks ago, we're going to be giving away a brand new sealed copy of that set. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you're notified when those videos come out and you know how to enter. Entering's totally free. If you end up winning, the shipping's totally free. So it's totally free. There's nothing to lose. Hit the subscribe button. I keep hammering at that on my videos because I know from my analytics that over 80% of my viewers are not subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe. Cost you nothing, but you could win Lego. So stay tuned for those. And remember, as always, until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you soon.